Welcome back everyone, Toy Reviews by Tiffany here. I have for us 2015 Burger King set of 6 Simpsons back to school toys / supplies. That is right, not only are they fun little toys, they're useful little toys that we can use in our everyday school life. So first up is our Bart Simpson watch. That is right, it is a watch. It's got Bart right there strolling along. He's got his backpack on, hand in his pocket. And then look at the armband, it's a nice flexible vinyl material. But it's got a whole bunch of little graphics on it. Definitely Bart Simpson style. There's some spray paint for his little graffiti stuff, his little skull and crossbones there, lightning bolt. And the way this hooks together is there's a little tab right here, and then there's little lock slots right there. So we pop it in, pull it back, and that locks it right into place. I cannot imagine how small your wrist has to be to fit into this. It is way too small for me, but probably perfect for some of you guys out there. Now, for this, it came with instructions to set it. I am horrible with watches, and these instructions are not the most clear-cut for me, so hopefully you guys can understand them a little bit better. But there is the regular clock feature, so it tells our time, and then with the top button, we're supposed to be able to do a stopwatch. So there's our stopwatch counting up, and that's just pushing that top button once. Then you push it again, and that puts it back at regular time. On the bottom, that's how we set it. So we push that bottom button once, twice, and we can set our hour, and then we push it again to set our minutes. And to adjust our hours and our minutes, we go back to pushing that top button. And then we push it one more time. Oops, set into stopwatch mode, and that puts it back where it was at the original time. I am horrible with these. I really am. Hopefully mom or dad can help you guys set the watch because it's a really cool little watch. Alright, check it out. It is Otto's school bus pencil case. It is a school bus shaped pencil case. Pretty self-explanatory. There's Otto, there's Bart and Milhouse. There's the rest of the gang in there. There's Lisa way in the back being studious with her books. And it actually came with a sticker, so I got to put those on, which was fun. Always fun when we get to do creative stuff. But the way this works is it's a little slide tab. So it push right in there, pops right on out. There is the 2 little lips that it rests in. And there's the lips on the actual pencil case. So it's really very practical. Who doesn't need pens and pencils? Apparently I don't, because it doesn't fit very many. There we go, we got 2 pens and a pencil in there. Slide it back together. Make sure we got those lips hooked in there right. This is Lisa's smart calculator. There she is doing her homework. She's a smart lady, looks like she's got some serious math going on there. And it's just like that, it's a calculator. There's division, square root, multiplication, subtract, minus, all your numbers, percentage, and there's our It's Ralph buttons and his protractor. This is the Ralph protractor. This is a very useful, just like all the rest of them, but this one's actually really useful in math. It's very good at helping us determine what our angles are. And his little arm is what we'll set to figure out the angle. So there's a 90-degree angle, I think. It's hard to see. There we go, line them right up on that 90. There's our Ralph's 90-degree angle. And there's Ralph. It's almost like a clock. Bart and Milhouse. It is our Bart and Milhouse compass, in fact. So it came as a compass. Compasses are used to determine diameters and create circles. And it came with a crayon, the Simpsons, nice pretty purple. But the way this works is you're going to pop your crayon. They also have a nice pencil slot. So these really are useful. A actual compass that you would purchase in a store is gonna obviously do a lot more than this simple one, but it's still pretty basic. It would be good for you early on schoolers. So there's the determination, I don't know if you guys can see that, on how big the diameter is. So you can go open, smaller, bigger. There's the point we're gonna rest, and then the crayon is gonna do the rest. So let's get this opened up. I got a piece of paper here. You put that point down, bring your crayon out so it rests, and then you just spin and hopefully draw a circle. It's getting there. See, it'll lock in place so you get a nice perfect circle. I use this in art class all the time. I'm measuring ruler. Everybody can use a ruler. Whether or not you use it in art to draw a straight line, or you actually use it to measure things, because you will do all of that throughout your journey in middle school, high school, kindergarten up through middle school. So there's Lisa carrying her giant pile of books. She's wearing her graduation cap. Very hard to see, but there's our measuring on the top and the bottom, inches and centimeters, millimeters, centimeters, I think. And then it actually extends out to be a full foot-long ruler. And check out who's on the top of that. It's Bart, being lazy. His sister's carrying him, and he looks hands down, this is certainly the most unique set I've ever done. It's definitely the most useful set I've ever done also. We got a pencil carrier, a calculator, a protractor, we got a compass, a watch. Who doesn't need a watch? You don't want to be late for class. And then a ruler. Everything is entirely useful. I've never seen a more productive set of toys in my entire life. But this is Burger King's 2015 set of 6 Simpsons back-to-school toys and supplies. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.